yang ni. Aku boleh kau ngelong. Saya usah pati kira kodan mere pada kau. Kakak. Ada usah pati kau kira kau mana. Kelo. Kau mereka boleh win. Aku boleh kau mereka boleh win. Aku boleh fight. Kau boleh fight. Boleh. Bang kau itu lokor kalah oleh aku ibu tinggal bawa ayam dia. Kau mai sai. Oleh akau semua. Kau aku leh oleh aku ibu tinggal nak soli. Sa wai leh kau. Mai leh dia kan. Oleh sa mana. Mai pun mau tak dia kau dah sa mana. Mai kama. Dois kilo mau lah. Sa fai lah aku dia mau lepas itu mas. Ele kau fai lo ingat sa aku. Ele kau fai lo ingat sa. Sa kau mas. Ada yang waktu kerja apa? Leh waktu kerja semua. Kuk kau ni mangkuya macam tu. Iu mangkuya form orang ni. Kau lebih ingat. Ayo leo sui. Deve tu mai le au sus. Pengana ni paia la silas ni paia la femanuel. Mas se foi paia le kade sia yo ma bae. Es. Ia o ma con fa au ku. We ka. Mas se ku mai le kade sia yo ma bae es. Moriak le ngana fa maloma le ngana fa pekele ne yasu. La sunga kakar idioma sunga de keleskei kawan o ka se le uma ma ya kan Sofia kau ku ya le wanga ma ya Sofia a fa ye o mau se ma ko kala ko ia ya ka man wa ka lo ia ko ia ya so vale fio ai mai se le fio kan kas Kainan foi dia la ka ya boleh ia oleh perayaan oleh som umalia makolo malia makolo ai mai se pula au mai pe uma uli ai sa ka konferensi oleh pula makolo ngana ka ke ai oleh kalesia mai ar makolo kau mai ai oleh ko lau fo fia leo nioria fol pe o kumasan kau mafa Ai mai se umba mau ko ma au mo sia ya le la fo i mai ma lo mi mai ba mo ka ma lo fa kai le se au mo se a dio e pa ia o le ka le sia o e fa mai war ka mo ma ko ka ya fa ku mo ko le ko me mo ko fa ma ba o mo lo ko si ya ku mo lo fi ma o va ma ko me o ya le o sa ma ko ka se ka ngalo singa me alofa whakawa ngei mo mako saunia. Ia ole a mako kau fai. Mon ya e leo se kau. E kau ele akua. Kau ele akua me aum. Omo se lau se furu kala. 2.5 sen. Ngalo mon ya. Kau kiri. Iyo mo kau iyo kalisia. Amalofa kai. Mako kau koi kala. Aro lofa dia. Lu yang ada ide kasih. Kawal lofa dia. Lawan mana ku. Au kumasang dia. Wewe fa le malu fa kuma pa dia fi awan ha. Ai sun dia ko mana. Ada boy ku ba. Au semaku kala waktu ku apa. Sila yang sioma ifong kai sungai kai bukan sia masih ia dekat waktu haru loko ya kemarin kemarin ya kuat dia awan kala sini ini ada kuat sampai malam sungai ya kalau sioma keleskeng dekat sia menguya ufat kuat mau berkufa, war kuing, war kau, war arwen, sia ya mau ko fama mau wale ko iba ngalo le ko akaliu le ko de ku lo fagia le ko sunga ya mau so ngalo so ma wale ya kuna ino ka konfenis aí olha foi na luema mau carro mau ringa mea ya wale ya kuwa malo ngalo ka imengwa ati yai fa kuwa mereka ima fiamar ngalo ngale kuwa ya pun kila ko daun wa fiamar ngalo ngale kuwa kama mikele le kuwa ka kutanisia ola leo le bao
Seoli bagyay wali vangan fikalay faika salaw lawangan wa fa boboai yaso a waso kulau wali mamoli ai fa kai wa mua ile kuwa Liaso ambaka ai fa mo fa ngawe kau mai liaso. Kau lang ka ko fa pia. De kuwa. Wa malio. La kulelea ko fa sa. Ale. Leo wa kau imangu liaso. Ai po ia vi inga. Ole pa ia liaso. Maya kai sama ri ku manua sai pa ia. Ke kolo ngai po ai sa ili ai malosa di kau falang se tu posa wai ngayo ko au le po yu ma lima al paia kana dei ave e au fangagan ia dia ko ai au wale la ko ngalben kau awasan manguia ko mai dia ko pulanga lalu bawa leo sabu awali lu mangai mo le kuwa mo long fungan mako ki fa ese aku mako fa man ole afo so ko si ta ko kon ka ngai pa ia la fangan wenga ainga pa fa ko ilo ka ko mafka fa malu o ke fa ese ole asa me wa ka mo fa ia de kinga le na maka man kan na ayam aku kai fonga ko feliz mako ke fa maru mako ke fa question le aso mako se ka ko na ko ya kuwa me le kuwa fa mangalo mayo mako ka ngaka aga sala masi wow polo pa ya kuwa la kala le fa pa ya kuwa la kala le umma le sa mako Pai mai a malo wa ngasu kamalo kuya. Ya. Ang fa pe leo kamalo yang fa. Chole. Sing sumu le fale mo. Ma koi na ya galela ba kakali ki galo ko. Ai busu kam. Ang sa leo les kami. Bomoli mai ka mafka. Pai mai ka mai kiki. Kamalo ngaka. Sumu le fale. Siapa dia nak baca tadi tu tinggal yang masuk rumah. Sesuatu leh kembali doa kembali tiket fat. Pembayi ngalah lilo fat. Orang fat peleo kalau awal kembali. Gemalia nak, gemalia. Lalu kau follow awal. Ada. Kalau leh kuah gratis sih.
Kakak dengar ya rokok.
Aku mel sama enggak. Wali ya soma. Oleh uma na sama kafiro kapu. Baia la fanga buena masama ko. O mangunga. Manguia lo kapu. We are
of God. We are marching the light of God. We are marching in the light of God. We are marching in the light of God. We are marching, we are marching, oh, we are marching in the light of God. We are marching, we are marching, oh, we are marching in the light of God. We are living in the power 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 of God. We are living, oh, we are living in the power of God. We are living, oh, we are living in the power of God. We are we are in the right of God. We are in the church of God. We marching in the light of God. We are marching in the light of God. We are marching, oh, we are marching in the light of God. We are marching, oh, we are marching in the light of God.
Mas o outro, esse é o Achieved the Parramatta United Chaplain, Western Sydney University. So I'm here to the end of the line class,
You want me to come here or stay here? Whatever. That's just me. So I got to my apple for some white. You for your tenant. So they allow it. Tour. You want to take a tour. And this is for the kind of space that you can we find what you put a type of motor to get a nanny by a snazzy of your name, of your enemy comes to your home. Yavan of Abba, that's an excuse because of a room where is good morning. Tantalima, Tantalia, says Yavan, Roma, Siavan, which is a light. Yeah, the telephone, they put up in the lower, they come in sitting together. Oleh tersangka langsung macam mengenai terjadi hanya langsung pada jumat grandfather being
my journey began a long time ago when I was wee small, but the journey has always been up and down. I've always been resistant to follow the path that Christ has paved for me. I've always been resistant. I've always liked to be the pagan, the demon that runs around and
just kind of in the stage of stripping back of, what exactly God's calling me into, whether that be a ministry or not. And I'm just being able just to use the gifts that He's given me in order to just continue to proclaim the gospel in many different aspects. So just to quickly sum that up once again, like part of that is obviously doing the Activate program, the gap year program at Trinity College, and that's definitely helped me in the discernment process in going to Thailand and having these opportunities, but also learning, just with the assessments that we're doing in the lecture, like the units, like interpreting the new.
So I'm just talking on behalf of the interpreters from Queensland, and also from Queensland we have another guy called Malcolm Stanley. So you all know Tino Stanley, his son. I have been taught him his period discernment. He's now finished his period discernment and he has discerned a call to ministerial work. So he's now in the next process of going before the Synod panel, which is next week. So please can you keep him in our prayers, and yes, love to stand.
We had 3 POD participants at the moment. These are the current 3 PODs within the Ministry of Corporate Voice, and they are progressing to discerning their calling.
Back to this home, the Williamstown. Williamstown is also my very rich
shared worship this morning in different stages. Where God's called us to continue. We also talked about also finishing off her college experience. But we also talked about the widow who has announced now he has now come to the real church, United Church. So I just wanted to acknowledge my brother that he's now full-fledged United Church minister. Pakutanya samile no, rena tuo te tulaki no, pamama tuia na le Ifalauna o i St. Stephen's. Ili atulog to masina i St. Stephen's te le le o tulo pa aya. Pero fi pamama na tu. Tu si kia le no o fa le ya.
For the blessings of our servants here for their uniform. Father God, we thank you for your generosity to your people. We thank you especially for the way that you gift and equip leaders. And we thank you for these people, for their leadership, for their willingness to step forward, to be equipped, and to serve your people. We pray for the inspiration of your Spirit of common as they step into whatever the next phase is for them. In the name of Christ.
E tua mawāngai, o sila mai ia o una nei, o whātu rāna kua i nā nuenga bata o whinga, o e wala o nai i lātou. O te whākarolama, i e rofa me e whāpa ia na whāpanuia, o lātou mafu whautino o mātana. E whāpena o na ola e whāmāra i te kua o na oe. Whāpanuia lau i kālesia, Lato roto mata ko ina, nei tonu pato toa ia o o nei, ma karo lama swaffles. And yes.
Please tell us your name and your church.
My name is David Johnson, and the church that multicultural congregation called Church, which is west of which is a pretty big congregation, has 3 different services on each Sunday, and one of the passion and the mission outreach that this church represents is helping and advocating for asylum seekers, helping our refugees. We hold a clinic that helps them to fill out visas, help them out partial care and also food. And, yeah, it's just a fantastic mission, and I'm proud to be part of this congregation. Now I'll go to the Samoan part of Queensland. So just on behalf of our Whakatanga in Queensland, and someone pointed out they have Whakatanga in Victoria, so do we in Queensland. Our chairperson who isn't able to be here is Reverend Yerico from the United Church, and I'm the secretary, and Chelsea is our treasurer. And we have about 4 Samoan congregations. 5, I think 5. Okay. We have Kurna, we are really not part of it. We have Inara, we have Sunnybank, we have Logan, we have Darra. So for a while we haven't combined, but this
Yeah.
mai o tua filha, mai nada. Depois ele encontra o cara e tem esse outro da glória ao pescado de outro mai nada. Eu vou lá com ele, isso do Tarsia. E a Tarsia, na hora do modo na ilha, a final e o nível do chão da formação. E a hora sua ele da Irumi.
Ela vai falar agora, tu faz duas vezes, e pode propor a Ecalesia, o Mahana Goiás. Laço no mundo, novembro. É a tua Goiás de Lua, o Matassana, está no Mahana Goiás. Ecalesia, solo lenha, o Laba, a Rema, e a minha Lua, e a nossa família, a tua. Então, o outro Mahana vai, ou aqui.
Support from Hamilton Wesley, Newcastle. Thank you to Fiona for inviting us today, for calling us up. It's been a while. I apologise for Dad. Dad is our pastor, Pastor Togia Wilson. He's sick at the moment. I don't think he'd be too well to come anymore. I'm now taking his place in his time with us at the moment. Our church is diverse.
Ja, dat wij hebben nodig. You all want it? So me before and before. Well, and no one now is still seeing and it's good to see you. Now, there are people who put to Soraya and Malanga. You're going to do this night more. Then I'm not telling them what to come to our wedding. In this little 4 pages, it gives me a piece. One takes 2 Oh, I think this is the only church that's
When we all learn that our meeting will be here. And it's something that I was
In the last 4 months, we have had 2 of young Samoan men. 2. Jesus! Jesus!
Okay, wait, one more. Get in, Ade. Oh, it's my finger. Okay, last one. Cheese. I love Uma. Yeah. Cheese. Becky, change your bun.